Good morning, everyone. It's me, Tommy Tutu, and this is just another Saturday. This Saturday, we are hiking to Los Penasquitos Canyon and Waterfall in Poway, California. Well, good morning, everyone. We are hiking the Los Penasquitos Trail in Poway, California. We're just getting started right now. Total of 6 miles, and there's supposed to be a nice waterfall at the end. So we'll check that out when we get there. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's enjoy another great hike this Saturday. Alright, so we're coming up on a sign right now. We'll check it out when we get there. So far the trail split twice. Check the map. I'm just going to stay on the main trail for now. Okay, so there's a landmark here. Let's check it out. This is H's grave. Let's go scope it out, see what that's all about. There's a grave right here. Interesting. I don't know who that is. There's a little information sheet here. I'll go check it out, and then we'll catch up with you in a minute. Okay, everyone, so I'm on one of the side trails right now. There's a lot of side trails here. Unfortunately, this one has a ton of poison oak everywhere. Look, just like right here, right next to me, poison oak. That's not it. To my right, poison oak. Yeah, this trail is covered in poison oak. Oh, just learn your plants. Poisonous plants, and you know what to look for, and just be safe. So far I'm still at the very beginning. Haven't gone too far yet. Just exploring one of these little side trails really quick. More poison oak to my left, more poison oak to my right. It's everywhere here. Okay, so I'm going to show you why it is so important to study poison oak before you hike. Here's a side trail. Okay, going down the side trail, you can see the creek in the background, but look, all of this is poison oak. You got some berries on it right there. Look how it's just sticking out in the trail. This down here is poison oak. That one is not. But look, you see the creek here, you're gonna be like, oh, let's go in the creek. You're gonna brush up against all this poison oak on your left side right here. So that's why it's very important to learn your poisonous plants before you go on a hike. In fact, I'm on one of the main trails right now. And look, right here to your left. Look, it just sticks out right here. This is all poison oak right here. See? Just right on the main trail. Not even one of the side trails. So it's very important. Look, it's just more. It's just like all over here, just hanging out on the side of the trail for you to walk into. That's why it's so important to wear long pants, not shorts, not flip-flops. I wouldn't even wear short sleeve shirts. As always, got my long sleeve on. And whoop, you got a little mini mud puddle across. So again, crossing, looking, no poison. But yeah, just some food for thought. If it's your first time coming to a place like this, mostly in San Diego County. I notice it's all the San Diego County trails that have all the poison oak. So it's good to know. And just be careful. And I'll catch up with you later. Alright, we are now coming up on Carson's Crossing. This way, up ahead. Yeah. Ooh. Figure this out for a second. Oh, another bridge. Sweet. That's beautiful. Take a second. Ooh, it's tadpoles. Take a moment to admire it. We got people coming. Stick got stuck in the boards. Alright. I have to catch up with you in a minute. Other people here. I don't like to get other people my shots. So see you in a moment. Alright, so about half a mile away from the waterfall now. Now we're on this kind of open plain right now. Lots of wind. I feel like I'm in the middle of nowhere. But we're almost there. There's a lot of moisture in the air. It feels like it's cloudy, but I feel like moisture hitting my face. So might get a little sprinkling, who knows. But we're almost to the waterfall, just half a mile to go. So I'll catch up to you when we get there. Alright, looks like we're almost here. The map says waterfall. This way. I don't know how close I am to it. But let's continue towards the waterfall. Alright. Next time I see you guys, we'll be at the waterfall. Catch up in a minute. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching our trip to the Los Penasquitos Waterfall. It was about 6 miles round trip. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We just reached over 400 subscribers and we're trying to grow the channel, trying to provide more quality videos for the whole family to enjoy. Thank you for watching. God bless you and enjoy your day.